What was the final straw on that camel's back? Delhi election?
It was finally the Gujarat by-polls, which was the last straw on the camel's back. From the day the India Alliance was formed, जब मध्य प्रदेश का इलेक्शन हुआ, मध्य प्रदेश के इलेक्शन में बुंदेलखंड का कुछ हिस्सा है, which is adjoining Uttar Pradesh. Akhilesh Yadav said that he would want to contest a few seats in Madhya Pradesh. Congress did not even get on the discussion table. What happened after that? We know what happened in Madhya Pradesh. Haryana elections came. In Haryana elections, ये लोकसभा इलेक्शन के बाद की बात थी. आम आदमी पार्टी wanted 4 seats. Samajwadi Party wanted 1 seat out of 90 seats. Congress refused to give Aam Aadmi Party 4 seats and Samajwadi Party 1 seat. 90 में से 5 सीट हम मांग रहे थे, उन्होंने देने से इनकार कर दिया. दिल्ली इलेक्शन में अगर बीजेपी का साथ किसी ने सबसे ज्यादा दिया वो कांग्रेस ने दिया. जो आज एसआईआर की बात कर रहे हैं कांग्रेस वाले, during the Delhi elections, Aam Aadmi Party repeatedly with documentary evidence presented how voter rolls were being manipulated. And Congress leaders like Ajay Makhan, like Sandeep Dixit, sided with the BJP on this. They said Aam Aadmi Party election commission पे क्यों सवाल उठा रही है? This was the words of Ajay Makhan and Sandeep Dixit, senior Congress leaders.